In this video, I'm going to tell you why the Easy Peasy yarn by Woobles and other similar brands like the beginner yarn for great for beginners is perfect not only for beginners but also for left-handers. Now, if you have tried to crochet with traditional yarn, it looks a lot like this. And traditional yarn is spun in a clockwise manner, so it has sort of this spiral look to it. What happens as we're crocheting as left-handers is that spiral begins to unwind and the pieces of yarn straighten out, and you often end up sticking your hook in between these strands. Now, if you're an experienced crocheter, that might not bother you too much. You know how to fix it, just undo a stitch. But it can be kind of annoying at times. The great thing about brands like the Easy Peasy yarn by Woobles is that can't happen. So this yarn, the way it's woven is kind of in a tube with a core in the center. And there's just no way for you to really get your hook in there. You're always going to be able to grab the entire thing. Okay, the most that can happen is it can kind of bunch up sometimes, but you can just smooth that out with your fingers. Same with other brands that have this similar method, like this beginner yarn. There are other similar brands if you're looking for something that's going to be easy. Like this yarn here, you can see is sort of braided together and not spun. If you're looking for another style, this yarn is a little bit rougher. It's called mercerized cotton than this. Of course, if you're experienced and you want to try all the other brands of yarn, feel free to do it. But if you're just starting out, and especially if you're left-handed, I highly recommend the Easy Peasy yarn by Woobles or similar brands such as Beginner Yarn.